Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about another SPAC that was presented to me in the comment section, and it is CIIG Merger Group. CII Merger Group was down almost 5%. It's down again, but I think there's an opportunity to buy this stock on the dip here. As you can see, it popped here. It recently announced a merger with Arrival, which is an EV company, which I'm going to show you a little later what they do. But as you can see here, the stock had a big pop from 17 up to 33. Usually with these, merger announcements, you're going to get a big pop and then a drop. It looks like it's beginning to stabilize here, so you may find an opportunity to buy as this company will likely probably move up just because now it's going to be another EV stock, and all these EV stocks, if they're legitimate, have a legitimate product, they just tend to move up and pretty quickly. So you want to take advantage of the fact that you can get these stocks at a discount, and also the fact that this company is above its 50-day moving average. So that's always a good sign. You always want to buy these stocks with 50-day moving above the 50-day moving average. So let's take a look at Arrival. Arrival is kind of a different play on EVs. They are developing a line of buses, last mile delivery vehicles, and regular vehicles. But their big edge is that they're creating something called micro factories, and these factories will be able to build these vehicles essentially in the middle of large population areas. So this is an example here. This would be the Arrival factory, and there would be in a lot of different cities around the country. So essentially, when you need to have a bus be made, let's say for Chicago or New York, they'll have a factory in the city, and they'll be able to create these EV vehicles and then bring them out there. So that's a very interesting play on the EV market. They're expected to roll out their first vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2021. So it's 12 months away. So you are playing on more of the potential than actual sales. But it's usually finding these companies when they're really small, taking a little bit of a gamble is where you find the big winners. And right now the market cap is under $1 billion. It has, or at least the SPAC is under $1 billion, has definitely dropped a bit. Maybe you want to wait for it to drop, maybe a little more from here, is, because it's down to 25.50. Maybe wait for it to drop down to like maybe 24 or 23. But I definitely think that if this company is able to pull through on its promise here of creating these micro factories and creating a line of EV vehicles that will be great for mass transportation, deliveries, and personal transportation, they have the potential to definitely go much higher because, as I've said in other videos, EVs are going to replace all the internal combustion vehicles out there. So any company that can profitably produce EV vehicles are going to become big winners. So definitely check this out. If there are any updates on the merger, I will let you know. Again, CIIG Merger Corp trades under the NASDAQ under ticker symbol CIIC. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead, subscribe, turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stock options and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.